Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to remove the screen, the CIC or the CCC or the champ radio. There are different types, different trims, the higher level and the lower level. The champ is 1 DIN and CCC or CIC is double DIN. Okay, as you can see, the screen is damaged. This is the result of screen protector and it baked to the screen. I totally don't recommend you installing the screen protector. You're going to damage your screen to the point of no return. So the original coating is removed, so the screen is dead. But you can see we restored the bezel and we painted it, and it's looking almost like a brand new, and color almost matched. I would say not perfect, but much better than it used to be. Okay, so first thing first, you need what? Get some towel, a screwdriver. That's all you need. So first thing, you need to remove the vents. Okay, nothing is holding the vent. It simply pops out. So what you need to do, put your fingers like this, start wiggling, and it comes out pretty simple. Okay, you can put it like this. Okay, there are going to be 2 screws here, 1 and 2. Okay, you remove them because I already removed it, so for easier video. Okay, next step is just try to wiggle it like this. So I'm gonna pull this one in. Actually sitting pretty tight. What you need to do is use this piece. Okay, one came off. You can use those plastic pieces, pliers, but I think it's okay to. Okay, so I didn't break anything. Everything is good, and I'm using my fingers, and you can see that usually the faceplate comes off like this, which is normal. So you disconnect the faceplate and put it away. Okay, you can put this away like this. And next step is remove this, guys. So I'm gonna do 2 screws here, 1 and 2. I already removed here, and 1 and 2. Here and here, 4 screws here and here. And the interesting part here is a little bit interesting. So you have to like lift it a little bit like this, because it doesn't come out like this. So you lift it like this. Always wiggle it so it helps to get it out. Okay. Put some towel so you don't damage anything. Don't scratch anything. Okay. What you need to do is like flat screwdriver, the BMW one, and every connector has a pin. You can see, not a pin, a tab. You press on the tab like this. You press it at the same time. Use a screwdriver like this, and it comes off. You press it, all of them comes off. Okay, the video connector is removed. You remove this. You know that's connected. You simply push the lever and it comes off easily. Believe it or not, some shops they charge $100 to remove it. I wish anybody paid us $100 to remove it. Okay, so and those connectors, I don't know if you can see it. Use a flat screwdriver. I'm trying to show it to you. You can see the blue one is a GPS. You press on it, and also a tap, and it comes off. The pink, and finally the black, which is antenna. All right, so everything is off. As you can see, all these connectors, they have a tap. You press on the tap. See the tap? You press on tap and then you pull it out. That's it. It's all done. Obviously, the reverse. You can do everything in the reverse to put everything back in. And we're also gonna fix these guys as well at the same time. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.